Uh, Dear students, uh, today we are going to focus on practicals of medicinal chemistry 3 in third year B Pharm 6th semester. So in this practical it is mentioned preparation of drug and intermediate, then preparation of a medicinally important compound or intermediate by microwave synthesis, and these three parameters are very important, that is drawing structures and reactions using Chemdraw, then determination of physico-chemical properties such as log P, C log P, then molecular weight and molecular refractive index, then hydrogen bond donor acceptor for class of drug using drug design software, drug likeness screening, Lipinski rule of fine. So these three practicals are too much important from the point of view of drug design, and now it is implemented in a TYB form. So we must proceed for the initial step towards the computational chemistry, as the computers in the pharmacy are very important, and in that they are the purpose for the designing of a molecule, and hence today we are going to focus on a basic drawing of structure and reaction using Chemdraw, and then we will see determination of physico-chemical properties. So there are so many physico-chemical properties that can be predicted. So here, for example, they are mentioned like log P, C log P, and like on. And then we will determine the hydrogen bond donor acceptor for the class of drug using drug design software. So there are also the number of softwares available. So out of that we will see which will be the best, and we will compare the softwares. So first of all, this is a application I have. So you have to open it. So it is a freeware version available on internet, so you can easily download it. So here, if you see, there is a software. Once it is open, so on left hand side there are two options. One is a structure and one is a draw. If you click on draw, then you will find that there are different tools are available, and on structure there are different tools. So on structure, if you see, on left hand side there are basic atoms, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and likewise, and on right hand side there are few ring structures are mentioned, and along with that some common substitutions are given. So like this ketone is there, this is a ketone, then NO2. So these are tertiary peptide group. So these are generally the common substitutions available. Okay. So for the erase these groups or your draw material, you have to erase by using this eraser mentioned over here. Just drag it and click delete button, so everything will get deleted. So up to this, you students might be knowing about these are the basic function, but apart from that, these sketch software has some advanced tools are also mentioned. So here table radical is given. So in this table radical, you can put any radical, and here it is mentioned some radicals which are somewhat difficult for drawing. Then amino acids are there. So there are a number of amino acids already given in this table. Then cycles are mentioned, 7 membered, 6 membered, 8 membered, 3 membered, likewise. And these are some common groups such as N-propyl, N-butyl, N-pentyl, isopropyl, likewise. Then some protecting group in terms of solid phase or achiral synthesis. You might be knowing about this, some important protecting group that must be inserted. So here we will add this amino acid. So just click on any amino acid of your interest and just click on this blank page. So again you can erase by selecting the erase button and drag it and delete button. So again there is one option here called as a open template window. So you can click on here. So you will find a different option. So commonly alkaloids are mentioned, then carbohydrates are given, and also their stereo form of these carbohydrates are also mentioned. So you can select of your interest from here. So in order to save the time, these tools are given. Then DNA, RNA, again there are options, that is a DNA, adenine, guanine, like that. Then RNA is mentioned. Then lab kit is there. This is one important for drawing the reaction or the drawing the figures. So this is a 3-neck, this is a funnel, separating funnel, linear class. You have to just click over here and like this, and you can again add. So this is a reflux, so you can put reflux condenser. So select this RBF, so decrease the size. So again, so likewise you can adjust like this. So by this way you can draw a diagram figure also. Then thermometer, dropping funnel, and many more options are available. So again there is a basic apparatus. So this is a distillation apparatus, reaction apparatus, then apparatus number 2. So distillation under reduced pressure, then number of flask, 2-neck, 3-neck, then adapter and condenser. So see, a condenser is a general term, but out of that you will find a names for a condenser. So depending upon that you can select what specific type of condenser is required in your reaction, that can be presented by using this tool. So you can cut paste this tool and you can use in your PowerPoint presentation also. So rotatory evaporator, then some analytical flask like a volumetric flask, then Lenmer flask, then there is a stand, burette stand, then burner and beakers. So these burner beakers are important. So you can select this burner such as Bunsen, Maker Bunsen. So like this you can select this. So select, then decrease their size, likewise you can represent the reaction. Then crucible, thermometer, tripod stand. Then some projection, some stereochemical projections are there, like Newman projections, then orbital pictures, then phosphorus compound, then steroids. So here again there is an option for further steroid rings. Then sugars, so the pyranose structures, then chair form of these pyranose, then Fischer projection, and these stereo pyranose are already mentioned in this tool. Then terpenes, and again there is an option. There are a number of terpenes are available, because why they are suggesting this structure, because this structure seems to be difficult and time consuming for the drawing. So you can easily select this structure and do your further work. For this reason they are mentioned. Then see some fullerenes are also mentioned. Then HPLC, lab kit, very important labels are there. So these labels you can use to represent in your PowerPoint presentation. Then crystal lattice is also there. So number of crystal lattice. So this can be important in the solid phase, solid state chemistry or physical pharmaceutics, or you can use this diagram. Then ring systems, chair, fishbowl. Then important vitamins are also there. So you can use this template window and draw your reaction or structure. So let us draw one structure and let us see how to use different tools over that structure. So here I select a benzene ring. So to that benzene ring I select a carbon in order to draw a methyl group. So just click on any atom on the ring and just extend the cursor, you will get a methyl group. Then in order to draw some important groups like isopropyl group, just click over here, and if not, then you can extend this cursor like this in order to select the hierarchy. Then select this structure and go on this clean structure option. So once you click the clean structure option, the structure will get automatically adjusted. So you don't have to adjust the structure every time. Just select the structure and click on clean structure. The structure will get adjusted geometrically proper. Then in the tool option there are different options are mentioned, like name for structure, stereo descriptor, then smiley notation. So select the structure and name for structure over there. Okay, so you will get IUPAC nomenclature for your structure. So here you can use this structure and cut paste to your presentation. So student, I hope this presentation, this video will help you to use a ChemSketch application. So in next video we will see the further tools of ChemSketch. So thank you very much. If you have a doubt, you can email me. Thank you very much.